we're back. We are back with
another experiment
from the Frightful First Experiments kit by
Gal.
part of their Horrible Science range. And we've done quite a lot now. This is experiment 9.
Ooh.
And for those of you that remember, we are stuck in Science Towers.
And we only have a week to do this until my birthday party. But if we don't escape, not only will we miss my birthday party, but we'll get locked in here
We'll
forever.
get locked in here forever. And we can only escape if we do all of the experiments correctly and get enough jigsaw pieces to finish the jigsaw. So we've done 9. Oh, we've done 8. 8? Yes, 8. And this is number 9. And this one is called Up, Up and Away.
Up and away?
Yeah, so
Ooh.
once again, we have a note.
We always get a note.
This one's from Baron Frankenstein.
Okay.
So it says, did you enjoy making Rice Krispies jump?
Yes,
you remember
we did.
the last experiment?
Yes,
and we
we
had
did.
lots of strange hair stuff going on.
Yeah.
So he says, good fun, eh? Here's your jigsaw piece. So there you go. Now he says, see how you get on with this one. It's pretty spooky.
I'm not sure if I want to do this anymore.
From Baron Frankenstein.
I'm just gonna see if this fits here.
Marvellous. Do you want to find out about Baron Frankenstein?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tell us a bit about him.
I'll tell you about him. Baron Frankenstein and Monster Boy. So Monster Boy is his friend.
Okay, is that Baron Frankenstein?
That's Baron Frankenstein and that's Monster Boy. Famous mad scientist and the Monster Boy he made from bits of human body.
Oh, that's gross.
Hates having to do the dishes and tidying them up after Monster Boy.
Okay.
Enjoys performing evil experiments
Oh dear.
and testing revolting home remedies on Monster Boy. Monster Boy enjoys digging up bodies, making up terrible jokes and scaring the cats.
I think I prefer Professor Enlarge.
I think he was the nicest one so far. Anyway,
Maybe Professor Enlarge just didn't want to do this in the first place.
Maybe not.
Maybe it was Baron Frankenstein's idea in the first place.
To lock us up?
Yeah.
I think it probably was. Because the other two seem quite nice.
Yeah.
Because Miss Perkins is the other one, isn't she?
Yeah.
And she seems quite nice.
I saw her picture.
Yeah. So anyway, for this experiment, we need a balloon. So we got the balloon from the last experiment, which is handy.
That Mum made fly around the room.
Scissors. Now don't put the scissors near the balloon.
No.
Tissue paper.
Tissue paper. Yeah.
Felt tip pen.
I got 2, and you'll find out in a minute why.
A woolly jumper.
We always need a woolly jumper.
Or hair.
Or hair.
Right. So the first thing we're going to do is cut out a circle from the tissue paper.
Maybe you should do
You want me to do that? Okay, that's fine. So I
reckon.
bit fluff. So let's see how big we want to do it. I would say.
I think maybe you should fold it in there.
Oh, that's not a bad idea actually. That's actually a very good idea. If you fold it in half.
Smart.
If you fold it in half for science fans. I mean, you could even fold it in quarters. But we'll do half.
We'll do half.
And then you can go snip, snip, snip.
But make sure it's like fairly flat because we don't want it to turn into a pill shape. A pill.
So there we go. We've got a circle.
Bit too big, but it's fine.
It's a bit of a rubbish circle, but it is a circle. So then what you want to do, right, with your fingers is sort of make it go into a cone shape. Like,
okay. Oh!
So you do it with your fingers.
Okay, I've got skinny. 2?
So sort of turn it into that's it. Squish it down to make it a cone shape.
Is this good?
That's perfect. And now what you want to do is draw eyes and a mouth on it. So it might have been better to do it on your other hand. Shall I have it on my fingers whilst you draw the eyes and the mouth on?
Yeah. So I was going to do red spooky eyes.
Go on then.
Oh, that's a rubbish eyeball. Okay, eye.
Okay.
Eye.
And then
it
a mouth.
kind of looks like blood. So
It does look alright. And then a mouth.
These are Sharpies, but any felt tip will do, or marker, or...
They are smelly though. Right, so that's the spooky.
It kind of looks a bit
spooky ghost.
creepy.
Okay.
Well,
so
that's
then,
why I got 2.
We're going to pop him on the table.
He's cute.
Okay.
Okay, he's not cute. Oh wait, he kind of is. It kind of looks like friendly.
Yeah, he's a friendly ghost. So we're going to pop him on the table.
Oh, and if you didn't know, this is a ghost.
Yeah, this is a ghost.
A
So then we're
rubbish
going to
ghost.
blow up the balloon and time knot. Well, we already did that for the other experiment. And then we're going to do the rubbing on the jumper thing.
Now, don't do it 20 centimetres away.
No.
Because we
Now,
all.
do you want me to do it?
Yeah, and I'll do it second time.
Okay. And then we're going to do this.
Ooh! Ah! Ooh!
And make the ghost fly.
Fly! Fly! Fly upside down! Fly!
So there you go.
Phil!
That was up and away. What did you think of that one?
Well,
So well, I mean, let's explain it. It's
pretty rubbish.
What can you remember what it's called?
Static
electricity.
electricity.
That's right. And if you watched our last video, science fans, we explained that the reason it does that, or not in this case, is because the electrons, which are in all the atoms on my jumper, are getting rubbed onto the balloon. So the balloon becomes negatively charged.
So that means the ghost won't fly, obviously.
No, but it's sort of waving.
What's wrong with this balloon?
I don't know. I think it's my jumper's not woolly enough.
Okay.
And then it attracts, because it's negatively charged, it attracts the positive charge from the ghost. Oh, it's not going to work now. What do you think of this one?
I think it's pretty fun. I think our hair works better than the ghost.
Do you?
Yeah,
I'm going
much
to give
better.
this one a solid 9.
Okay. I'm going to give this one... Oh, I'm live. Maybe I can find it, a 7.
A 7? Really?
Well, it didn't work.
Well, it did. The first time it did. It didn't fly.
But you killed it.
Oh!
Ooh. Okay, you know what? No, I'll give it an 8 now.
Spooky ghost.
I'm gonna give it an 8.
Yeah, it was my fault for making it pointy.
I'm giving it an 8.
You're giving it an 8, okay, and I'm going to give it a 9, so that gives it an 8.5.
8.5, yeah.
Okay, so tell me why you've given it an 8.
Well, I would have given it a 7, but since you made it flat and you made it work, I've given it an 8.
Okay. So I'm going to give
His
it.
face is rubbish.
I'm going to give it a 9 because I think it's a really cool way of showing static electricity. It's more interesting than Rice Krispies.
Yeah. Ooh!
And
Oh, you know what? Fine. 9.
And I think
9.
that's a really good way of showing it. So I enjoyed that
9.
one, and I had a lot of fun with
9.
it. 9. Okay.
So we're gonna give this,
So this
one
one
a
gets
solid
a 9.
9.
That's a proper. We don't give 9s very often, do we?
No,
No.
we're like Craig Rebel.
Yeah.
If
So
you're
there we go,
watching
science
this,
fans. So that was Up and Away
Up and away.
from the Frightful First Experiments range by
Gal.
Gal. If you like what we're doing, then please go to our YouTube channel, which is Science Time with Dr. Laura and...
Hello.
and don't forget to...
Like and
subscribe! Till the next time, science fans. Bye!
Bye.